Hello, my ICTB students. This is the end of your cover letter assignment, and you know what, we didn't do two things, so I came back to finish it. We were supposed to put a gradient on here, so remember, you go to gradient, more gradients, and I think you're all pretty good at doing this, but I want to make sure. And we don't need to do 4 colors, we can do 3, so I'm going to get rid of one of these, and we're going to choose 4 different colors. Now I got orange in the border, so I'm going to put orange in my gradient fill, or maybe here I'll put green, and then maybe I'll put gold. And then I'm going to move my colors around so I get a color that I like. Alright, and we were supposed to also put shading in this cell, so I'm going to select it, and we were to go here, we were to go to borders and shading, remember, 15%, and you must choose a color. So I'm going to choose orange because that's been my predominant color, and that fills in. So there's what we wanted. That's what your instructions said that we were supposed to have completed. Alright, so save your work. That's good. And now that's finished properly. Alright, so I'll stop there.